Baltic Tricompax Panda and Reverse Panda Watch. Tricompax Panda. Main features are case material is stainless steel 316L. Case diameter is 39.5 m. Lug to lug 47 mm. Case thickness is 13.5 m. Lug width is 20 m. Aluminum tachometer, bezel. Double dome sapphire crystal. Internal anti-reflective coating. Dial are light beige matte finely granulated dial, black guilloche subdials. Applied indexes. Dauphine hands with Superluminova B19. Movement is Celitus double, U510 MA manual winding. Approximately 63 hours power reserve and stop second. Reverse Panda Watch. Main features are case material is stainless steel 316L. Case diameter is 39.5 m. Lug to lug is 47 m. Case thickness is 13.5 m. Lug width is 20 mm. Aluminum tachometer bezel. Double dome sapphire crystal. Internal anti-reflective coating. Dial are semi-gloss black finish. Light beige guilloche subdials. Applied indexes. Dauphine hands with Superluminova B19. Movement Celitus double, U510 MA manual winding. Approximately 63 hours power reserve. Stop second. Italian calf leather strap. Or steel flat link bracelet or steel beads of rice bracelet. Water resistance 50 meters or 5 bar.